Hey, I'm Dr. Bob Cargill, and if you are a University of Iowa student and you like studying the Bible, I want to invite you to enroll in our Introduction to the Hebrew Bible course, Hebrew Bible for Everyone. This is your chance to study the Hebrew Bible, the Christian Old Testament, for university course credit. And this is a GE course fulfilling the values and culture requirement. So sign up today for Hebrew Bible for Everyone, because the text of the Hebrew Bible, the Christian Old Testament, is not only the foundation for the Jewish faith, but is fundamental to both Christianity and Islam. This collection of texts records the collective wisdom and identity of ancient Israel and what would become the Jewish people. And because the Hebrew Bible served as scripture to the early church, the Hebrew Bible came to be 70% of the Christian Bible as well. This course provides a survey of the literature of the Hebrew Bible, providing relevant archaeological, literary, and historical context to illuminate the text whenever possible. So please join us for Hebrew Bible for Everyone and study the Bible for course and GE credit in the Department of Classics, the home of biblical studies at the University of Iowa. Enroll today.